Stellantis and Dongfeng are taking their partnership to a whole new level, and it could completely change how Chinese electric cars are sold in Europe. The two companies are reportedly planning to build Dongfeng's premium Voyah electric vehicles in France, helping them avoid heavy import tariffs on Chinese-made EVs, while also giving European buyers locally built cars. The plan would create a new company led by Stellantis, with a 51-49 split between Stellantis and Dongfeng. This partnership wouldn't just focus on importing vehicles. It would handle everything from manufacturing and engineering to sales and distribution for Dongfeng's electric vehicles in selected European markets. One of the biggest parts of the story is the factory location. Reports suggest production could happen at Stellantis' Rennes plant in Brittany, France. That factory used to produce over 400,000 vehicles a year, but output has dropped significantly in recent years. Right now, it mainly builds the Citroën C5 Aircross, leaving a lot of unused space that could be filled with new EV production. That's where Voyah comes in. Dongfeng's premium EV brand has already entered Europe, but sales numbers have been relatively small so far. Building the vehicles directly in Europe could make a massive difference. It would help the company avoid tariffs on Chinese-built EVs and also appeal to customers who prefer products made within Europe. One vehicle that could lead the charge is the Voyah Courage SUV. This electric SUV packs dual motors, producing 429 horsepower, and can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. It also offers a claimed WLTP driving range of around 292 miles. Chinese-built versions are already being sold in Europe, but local French production could make the model far more competitive. This move also highlights how deeply Stellantis is connecting itself with China's fast-growing EV industry. Just recently, the company confirmed that future Jeep and Peugeot electrified models will be built in Wuhan starting in 2027. Both for the Chinese market and for export around the world. That's a pretty major shift for brands like Jeep, which has always leaned heavily on its American image and rugged heritage. Stellantis CEO Antonio Filosa described the new agreement as the next step in a long partnership between the two companies. According to him, the collaboration will give customers more competitive products and better pricing, while combining Stellantis' global reach with Dongfeng's growing expertise in electric vehicles. The automotive world is changing fast, and partnerships like this show just how connected the global EV market has become. European factories building Chinese-designed EVs for international buyers would have sounded unlikely just a few years ago, but now it's quickly becoming the new normal.